Hello, dear students. In this practical exercise, I'm going to show you how to use Metashape software to obtain orthophoto of facades. Okay. In this practical exercise, we've selected the Abdullah's Home Madrasa. It's located in historical part of Bukhara and the left side of the madrasa facade. And we have a series of orthophoto of facades, sorry, photo of facades, and this photo is obtained according to photogrammetric methods. That means is the first photo, second photo, they overlap at least 60%. Okay, and to bring this old photo to scale, we need the control points. Here you can see the location of control points, and we use the total station to measure the coordinates of the total control points. Here is coordinates of the control points, and this is the local coordinate system. Okay, this is not a global coordinate system. X, Y, and Z. After producing the orthophoto by using Metashape, so we can measure any distance, any measurement facets. Okay, this is the aim of the photogrammetry. So, and by using this orthophoto, we can check our accuracy of the our orthophotos. For example, distance between P1 and P2 is equal by subtracting the Z value. Okay, if I subtract P4 minus P1, okay, I will get this distance. And this distance is equal 7 meter 61 centimeters. Okay, in reality, if my orthophoto is I measure the same distance by using the orthophoto of facades. If the measurement is give me this value, so that means my orthophoto of facade is very precisely accurate. Okay, so we will check it now. So I minimize this window and I will check my data. So this is my photos. Okay, each photo is overlapped at least 60%. Okay, the next folder, this is my coordinate system. Okay, this is the coordinate but in Excel format. Before uploading this Excel format to Metashape, I have to convert it to text format. Okay, then I will show you how to do it. Okay, so I opened my Metashape software now. Takes me some time. Okay, and I upload. First of all, I upload my photos. Abdullah Home. This is the photos. It's okay. Workspace. I go to workspace and I upload 24 images. Okay. The first step is save the project. Okay. I save it to desktop. So facade. Okay. I save and my photo is here. All photos, 24 photos. First step is I have to align photos. If your PC is very strong, then you can select the high. But for the moment, I select the medium. Okay, for align photos, it takes some time. Okay, it's almost finished. Okay, this is my tie points. Okay, this is the tie points. So here, 24 picture, and among the 24 pictures aligned. And I have 8,395 tie points. Okay, and they're here. Okay, and even you can see the camera location by pressing this. Okay, and this is the location of camera. So next step is I have to calibrate the camera. Tools, camera, calibrate the camera. I select all the coefficients, and okay, it takes also some time. So after finishing the calibration, it's time to upload control points in Excel format. So I minimize this. I go my Excel. This is my Excel. Okay, and but first of all, we need to before to convert it to text file because Metashape is accept only text file. So I have to convert this comma to points. Okay, I go to this and change. So I have to find the comma, replace it to point. This is the point. Okay, and this. So now all my points, or sorry, all my comma is converted to points. Okay, then I save this file as a text format. Okay, I save it the same file, but I have to change the format. Format is this one, and format is this one. Text file with comma separated tables. Okay, this I will not change the name. Save. Okay, perfect. I close it. Now I created this text file. Okay, I will upload this to Metashape. So I will go to Metashape. You have to go to Reference tab and press Import Reference. Okay, so my file is in Abdullah Home. This is file. I just created this file. Okay, open. Here you can see some informations. The coordinate system is as I already explained it. This is local coordinate system, not a global coordinate system. It's just local coordinate system. And start input at row. So they will start import from these rows. Okay, and label one is this is the label. Okay, x and x, y, z and z. All is correct now for the moment. So I press OK, yes to all. Now I successfully imported my total station measurements to Metashape. Okay, so now I have to show these points, the location and the picture. So I press this picture, double click, okay, and Okay, I zoom. My P1 is here. This is the target. Okay, right click the mouse, place marker is P1. Okay, this is the P1 locations. Okay, now it's became a green. Okay, and the second picture is my right click is P1. Okay, you have to wait sometimes. Now we have a two, um, the green flag. So you see the white flag. White flag means need confirmations. Okay, so what I have to do is I just go to P1. Okay, and select right click, filter by a photo by markers. Okay, after pressing this, all picture which is showing the P1 is you can see here. Okay, and double click. Okay, you see the P1 is here, but it must be here, so you will change it. Bring it here. Okay, you have to bring it here. Okay, now it's green. Okay, on green, double click. Just little bit distortions. Just click. Second one is almost correct, but you just place here. Okay, next picture. Double click. Just to bring it. Okay, next pictures and almost correct. Yes. Okay. You have to almost complete it. Fine. Okay. So I finished all pictures with a P1. Please pay attention. All the flag must be green. Okay. Okay. Then you have to do it with P2, P3, P4. Okay. So before start P2, you have to press this down, reset filters. Okay. So the second control point is I go to we can also do P4. Okay, the P4. P4 is located in here. You see, it's here. Just center, approximately the center. Right click and place P4. Okay, P4, and double click picture. Second picture. P4 is here. P4. Okay. Now the second flag is, you can see, and go to P4, right click, and filter by photo by markers. That means if after pressing this window shows only P4 target point projected pictures. Okay, then you have to confirm the locations one more time. This is the right click, just small. Okay, and now you have to finish with all these pictures until now to confirm the location of P4. Okay, so I'm finished with the P4 and I have to start with the P2. P2 is here, you can see the target points. So just P2 is I have to bring it place marker P2. Okay, place marker is P2, and double click second picture, and here is the location of P2. Okay, P2, perfect. Now all the P2 is appeared. So now I go to uh, P2, filter by photos. Okay, now all picture which is projected P2 is appeared. I start with this, double click. Okay, here. So now I have three control points of in meta shape. I can start the transformation and I press this button, update transformations. Okay. Now I have you see the 5 mm errors. After transformation, 5 mm error. This is very good, but I'm not finished yet. Okay, and I select this one because the flag color is white. Okay, this is the P2. Okay, P2, P2. But if you see the error is also changing because you're inserting the confirming the points. P2 and this one. Okay, so click here. Okay, and this one, and you have to do with all the rest of the photo. Confirm the location of P2, and then all the color of the flag will become green like this. You see, I all finished with P2 and press transformation button. We'll see how the error will change. Okay, the 4 mm is perfect, and I have a still. I have to press this button to see all pictures. I have a still P5 and P3. Okay, please also finish P5 and P3. Okay, so I finished confirm the location of all the 5 targets, all images. You can see all images is light in the green color, green flags. That means is the location of control points is confirmed, or it's bring it in the correct positions. Here is location my control points, okay, and the coordinates is this one. But this is the final error is means it's 4 centimeters, okay, but this is not final the transformations, so I have to calibrate parameters by using this transformation. So I have to press this button, optimize camera. Okay, I select all coefficients, and after pressing OK, it takes some time, and I hope my error will decrease. Again, okay. Okay, now it's perfect after pressing this button, after optimizing the camera with transformed the control points. So my error is 3 millimeters only. This is a very precisely accurate. Okay. So next step is I just save and go to workflow. I create a point clouds. Okay. Point clouds in medium. Press OK. So that means I'm creating the photo point cloud because point cloud is the raster format. The image is also in the raster format. So I just gave the raster format each point cloud to coordinate system. Okay. So to see the point cloud, I go to workspace. Is my point cloud. Double click. Okay. And go to zoom. Sorry, this is my point cloud. Okay. Just this is my point cloud. And my point, this point cloud is consists of 5 million, more than 5 million points. Okay, it's a medium quality. Okay, this is good. And next step is we have to create mesh, build mesh. Okay, build mesh is also default. Keep the default parameters. Okay, okay. And this is the mesh format. If you want to see the mesh format, just click this triangle and go to wireframe. Okay, this is the mesh format. So next step is to create the DEM. Okay, I have to bring it so a color, point color, and I go to workflow and build DEM. Okay, but please be careful that I use a planner because this is the planner, and I select my markers, horizontal axis. This is the horizontal axis, P4, P5. I can select also P1, P2, but P1 is higher than P2. Is not almost horizontal, and this is more like horizontal. Okay, and it's lying in the same line. So P4, P5. Okay, this is P4 and P5, and vertical axis is P1, P4. So P1 and P4. That's it. Okay, and I press button. Here is my DEM is created. This one. Okay, DEM. And next step is I have to create orthomosaic. Orthomosaic. Build orthomosaic. I use a surface DEM. This is the DEM, and I keep other default parameters as a default. Press OK. Okay. Take some time. This is finished. This is my orthomosaic. I double click. This is my orthomosaic. Okay, orthophoto of facades. This is the orthophoto of facades, and inside the is not visible. Is means this is the almost correct because I have to focus only this part. Okay, accuracy of this part. This is the orthophoto. Okay, inside wall is not visible, is good. This is my control points. Okay, the control points, and now I can check the accuracy of my facades. Okay, um, reference. So distance between this and this point must be 7 meter 61 centimeters. Okay, and here this one, 7 meter 61 centimeters. Now let's measure this. I remove. You see this button is also active. This is the ruler. I bring this one. I go to select point here. Okay. Sorry, I made a mistake. Just this one, this point. Okay, and this point. You see, I measured exactly this. I obtained exactly the same value by measuring the orthophoto. It's a 7 meter 61 centimeters. So this is a very good quality. Okay, and so if I want to cut from this is the facade picture or this one, I can use draw polygon tools. Okay, and select these points, these points, and these points, these points, and double click. Okay, so label is just facade. Okay, then I go to right click, auto boundary. Okay, auto boundary, and I go to workspace, right click, mosaic, export ortho mosaic. Okay, then I save it inside. Now it will be facade ortho image. Okay, save and save it. You see, I minimize. Is my facade. Okay, this is my orthophoto of facades, and you can export, upload this to AutoCAD, and you can draw the elements CADing. You can start the CADing and develop the restoration project. For example, we have to add these mosaics. Okay, so this is old. We finished. Okay, if you have any question, just please tell me. This is the